Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a special drink. This is my bourbon and melon special, and you will be amazed at how good this is. This that we're looking at right here, this is the pickle juice from pickled watermelon rind, and if you look on the website you can find the recipe for that too. And we're going to put a little bit of that into each glass. Like that. Maybe a little bit more on this one. Okay, there we go. And this is Canadian whiskey. You could make this with Canadian whiskey, you could make it with bourbon, you could make it with Jack Daniels. It'd be really amazing. But I happen to have Canadian whiskey on hand, so that's what we're using. You can even do it with vodka, gin, whatever you got, it'll be good. So here we go. And a little bit like this. This is about a shot of each. And now we're going to have a drink. Cheers. It's strong, and it's good, and it's delightful in the summer. Thank you for watching. See you next time on The Good Plate.